Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create KakaoTalk account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already downloaded KakaoTalk app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to create KakaoTalk account. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your KakaoTalk app. Here we go. Now here you can see the option of login and sign up. Tap on that option, sign up. Now here you have to put tick mark on this first option. I agree to all terms and conditions below in this way, and then tap on agree and continue. Now here you have to enter your phone number and then tap on OK. Tap on OK. Here you will be getting a code to your number that you have just entered. You have to put that verification code here and then tap on OK. Now you have to generate a password for your account. Again you have to confirm your password and then tap on OK. Now you have to fill up this information. Firstly you have to enter your name and then date of birth. Now you have to select your gender and then tap on OK. Okay, you have to add a profile picture as well. Here I will be choosing from the gallery. Here I will be choosing this photo and then tapping on OK. Tap on OK. Again, you have to add your email address here and then tap on send verification email if you want to, but for now here I will be skipping this process. I will be tapping on ask app not to track. You can see that I have created my KakaoTalk account. In this way, you can also easily create your KakaoTalk account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to create KakaoTalk account. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.